thing, and I wonder how that works with the other thing you were talking about in terms of okay, so online communication, people feel like they're being less judged, right? So how do you, like, switching this into sort of a bit more of like a design mode, how do you like design or build this sort of online community that has these particular expectations without those expectations causing people to feel like they're being more judged? So basically, like, how do you combine those things without losing the good bit of you know, not feeling judged online, while also taking advantage of you know, helping people craft their message without making them feel like they're being judged?
So if I understand, the basic question is how would you design this kind of environment where they can post what they want to and not experience judgment?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good question. So some work that I'll be working on this year is using norms literature and sort of from the marketing literature norms approaches, where we're going to measure appropriateness of different perceptions of appropriateness of different kind of behavior, and then be able to say on an aggregate level what kinds of things do people feel are appropriate and not appropriate. And we can give that back so that people can now know, well, this kind of thing might be well received and this can't. And we're focused on families, but you can imagine this being interesting in general, right, in any sort of Facebook use. The question of how to design that technically, I think, is a lot more interesting and challenging. You can imagine, and this kind of work has been done in the context of bullying, for example. So where there's more easily sort of detected markers of bullying. So certain kinds of language is known to be bullying language. And there you can detect that a post might be some sort of bullying behavior, negative behavior, and say, well, do you really want to post this? Or are you sure you should, you know, things like that. So you can sort of nudge